Hey everyone, this is Expert Channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your battery for your game save in your Pokemon cartridge. What you'll need is some electrical tape, an X-Acto knife, a CR2025 battery, a Nintendo game bit or security bit, and of course Nintendo Game Boy and your favorite Pokemon game.
The first thing we'll need is our 3.8mm game bit security tool. This is what the inside of your cartridge should look like. Next, you'll need an X-Acto knife to pry up on the tabs of the battery. As you see, I've gone ahead with the top tabs first. Because the tabs on the battery are so fragile and the solder is old, they can break, but that's okay. I'll show you how to just fix that with electrical tape also. I actually did snap the tabs off with this one, but that's okay because I'll reattach them. Just make sure you keep the tabs in good shape. Here we have our CR2025 battery that we'll use to replace the CR1616 battery. With the electrical tape now, we'll use this to place back the broken tab. Just ensure that if you do break off the tab that the solder is touching with the metal part of the tab and to secure it tightly. The reason I choose to go with a CR2025 battery is because it's thin but also holds a little bit more juice than the stock battery. Now we'll go ahead and put our game cartridge back together using the security bit. Now what you'll want to do is boot up your game, go in and create a new game save. From here, we're going to go ahead and create a save state. Go ahead and now power off your Game Boy. If you followed all these steps correctly, you should be able to now go in and find your game save and boot from this. Your save battery will now last you another 10 to 15 years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.